Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Redmi Note 10s. So on the front you can see the image of the phone with its name. And at the back, specifications like the camera, processor, display and battery are mentioned. So quickly we'll open the box. Here we have this smart looking Redmi Note 10s. The phone has a punch hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass. At the back, we have a 64 megapixel quad camera setup with Redmi branding at the bottom left. The phone looks super stylish. Next, we have this lid. Inside it, we get the SIM ejector tool placed right here. Documentations like quick start guide, which will give you information about the phone. And the silicone back cover, which is a very good addition from the company. Now we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. And a 2-pin wall charger with 33 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Redmi Note 10s box. Thank you so much for watching this video.